Hello student, we are doing here ionic equilibrium and we will discuss about pH of solution having 0.2 mole of HCl is added to 1 liter of solution containing 1 m each of acetic acid and acetate ion containing 1 m solution is 1 liter solution is there. Ka of acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. I am Veena Dikshit. Please subscribe my channel and get very good information. Addition of 0.2 mole of HCl increase the concentration of acetic acid by 0.2 mole, reduce the concentration of acetate ion by 0.2 mole per liter. Why I am saying so? When this is a buffer solution, when we are adding 0.2 mole of HCl in this case, here concentration of acetate ions and acetic acid is higher than the HCl. Okay, so at that moment what will happen? These 0.2 mole acetic acid is already present and H ion concentration will be 1 m and 0.2 mole H ion concentration is coming from HCl. So this is from HCl and this is from acetic acid. Now acetate ion having 1 m solution, and when we are adding 0.2 mole of this HCl, at that time what will happen? HCl will add it to this and it will form CH3CO negative is added to H positive and form acetic acid. That is why I am saying that concentration of acetic acid is 0.2 because 0.2 is added to this. Okay, so it will combine with 0.2 mole of acetate ion, so it will form 0.2 mole of acetic acid. That is why I added over here, and the same amount because 0.02 is utilized to form acetic acid, so concentration will be reduced, okay, by 0.8 m. So for concentration of acid is increased by 0.2 and the acetate ion decreased by 0.2 and it will be 0.8 now. So pH will be equal to pKa plus log of salt upon acid, and we know pK is equal to minus log of K. Ka is given to you, so put the value of log of K, and log of salt upon acid will be salt concentration, how much it is, 0.8 and acid 1.2. okay, acid salt upon acid, we calculate out pH is equal to plus 5 minus log of 1.8 plus log of 0.8 minus log of 1.2. Simplify it, pH will be equal to 4.57. And now when we are not adding anything, at that moment pH will be equal to pK plus log of 1 m of acid and 1 m of this salt and 1 m of acid will be there, so this is coming to be 1 and log 1 is equal to 0, so pH is equal to pK. And now pH is equal to minus log of K, put the value here minus log of K, and then we will get pH is equal to 4.745 of buffer